In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install any website as a desktop app in Chrome. By the end, you'll have a tidy app-like window for your favorite site that you can open from your desktop, just like a regular application. Start in Google Chrome and head to the website you want to use as an app. Click in the address bar, type the site's address, and press enter. Pick a site you open all the time, maybe your calendar, task manager, email, or any tool you want quick, clutter-free access to. Let the page load fully so Chrome knows exactly which site you're turning into a shortcut. Once the site is open, make sure you're on the exact page you want to launch next time. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots to open the Chrome menu. Depending on your version, you may see Create Shortcut directly, or you might find it under More Tools. In newer builds, it can also appear as an Install option near the address bar. All of these lead to the same place, so choose Create Shortcut. A small dialog will appear asking you to confirm details. Give the shortcut a clear name you'll recognize on your desktop. This is what the icon will be called when it's created. If you want the site to feel like a real app, without the standard browser tabs and address bar, turn on the option to open it as a window. This is the key to making it behave like a standalone app. When you're happy with the name and options, click Create. Chrome will instantly generate a desktop shortcut for you. You should now see a new icon on your desktop with the name you chose. Double-click it and the site will open in its own window, separate from your other browser tabs. This keeps you focused and makes switching between tasks smoother. On many systems, the shortcut can also be pinned to your taskbar or dock for even faster access. If you ever don't see the shortcut right away, try minimizing other windows or checking your desktop view settings. And remember, removing it is as simple as deleting the shortcut, just like any other desktop icon. You can always repeat these steps to recreate it later. That's it. Quick, clean, and super handy. You've just turned a website into a desktop app using Chrome. Perfect for productivity and a more organized workspace. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new app-like shortcuts.